Hawaiʻi, great as a body of water, meaning a great multitude of so many that one cannot count.
Today we're at Paepae o Heʻeia here in Kaneohe on the windward side of Oahu, and we are a school group from Halaupumana Charter School, and this is our project site, so this is where we come once a week.
Fishpond's a good place to begin to learn about our ocean resources. And what do we expect from you guys?
Why is it important for Hawaiian communities to build a relationship with the kai?
That's our driving question kind of that we focus on over the whole year, so hopefully at the end of the year they'll have an answer to that.
So we're gonna gear up, get our tabis on, because we're gonna walk out.
They learn from this place, they take data, they practice ancient techniques of fishing, kiloing, or observing, and they use this site kind of to enhance their education at our school.
They recognize that everything is interconnected, so if one thing is suffering, then they'll start seeing that it's gonna eventually affect the next thing. Ultimately, it affects us. Our school wouldn't be able to support this kind of activity. The B-WET grant actually really helped us.
If their generation isn't the one to protect these resources, then they're not going to be around. And so we're trying to cultivate and create a new generation of kids who can be the next stewards of our land.